This is also another favorite. Wow, great. Has a soft matte thing and you can wipe it off pretty easily, I think, so yeah, there we go. Probably should have done that first so I don't look like I live in a trash can. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am so excited. It is almost December. I don't know if this is gonna go up in December or like right before December, but either way, look at my background. Isn't it pretty? Yay, Christmas, yay! Anyways, okay, so today is a favorites video of November, and I have a lot of products, so we're kind of gonna just go through these real fast. Okay, shall we start with home items? Yeah, we're gonna start with home items first. So, this is the first thing I have. This is a really beautiful Christmas tree. It's just Christmas, everything Christmas tree I love, but I've only gotten one brand, and it is this one. It is from TJ Maxx, and I haven't been able to go out and get any other ones because I think Bath & Body Works might have the most beautiful one. Also, Target has a really beautiful one, and I haven't been able to go there and buy them yet. So, as of right now, this Christmas tree candle, which is by, it's a great question, Scentsational, and I got this at TJ Maxx for 13 bucks, and it's as big as my head. It's gigantic. Also, another thing that smells like Christmas, I'm not too sure if you guys are aware of these. They are these tiny little green things. Oh my god, this smells so good. Okay, so this brand is called Scentcicles, and it's like an icicle, but not ice, and it smells amazing. And these come in little containers, and basically what they're for is you just pop them in your tree or a wreath or anything in the generalized area that you want to smell like a Christmas tree, and it will smell everything around that area for about 30 days. So this one I got a pack of 12, and they're all in my Christmas tree. So my Christmas tree smells amazing. Okay, okay, cardigan. Just popping open here, although you guys can't see all the way down there. There we go. All right, another non-makeup item is actually these hair clips right here. Oh my gosh. I can't find the brand name. Oh crap. I threw the packaging away. Who are these by? Do you say who you're by? Who are you by? Crap. Okay. I'm horrible. Go me. These I got at Walgreens, and they're little clips, little claw clips, but on the inside they actually have like this gummy kind of surface so your hair doesn't slip out. And my hair is very thin, so I use kind of this medium size, and then I use this small size. And I use these instead of putting my hair in a bun. I'll just kind of twist it up and clamp them, because I've noticed that I have a lot of breakage from putting my hair up in buns, so I'm trying to get my hair to grow out really nice and healthy. So I actually use these, and I kind of just twist it around and clamp it, and it stays all day. And I can't remember the brand of these for the life of me. I threw the box away. I suck. Great job, I suck. Alright, let's move on to like makeup related items now. First and foremost is this Blistex chapstick. I can't. This thing is, I mean, I love this so much. This is one of the best chapsticks ever, and my lips are very dry in the winter, and that just puts all the life back into them. So I love that. Another lip product. This is the perfect nude, in my opinion, that I used all throughout November. It just went with everything. It wasn't too warm, it wasn't too cool, it was very neutral. It goes really beautifully with any kind of makeup look that I used. So here it is on my hand. It's kind of like a peach. but it doesn't really have a lot of pink. It doesn't have a lot of brown. It doesn't have a lot of orange. I just thought it was the most beautiful. It went with like every single look I did. It would go with brown eyeshadows. It would go with black eyeshadows. It would go with blues, and it would go with like coppers and oranges and cranberries. It really pulled in like every single look. It just pulled it all together. So this is Beach Babe by Tarte, and I think this is their Rainforest of the Sea collection. Okay, next I have the PLouise Base, and my color is in Rumor 02. And this is ever since this video, whatever. Ever since that video, I mean, this is the most amazing thing I have found this year. This is like a yearly favorite. And since it is winter and my under eyes, everything is just so dry. I really love this formula. It's the Physicians formula. Their Insta Ready Full Coverage Concealer. And my color is Fair. And this is just really hydrating. And it does have kind of like this peach undertone, so it cancels out everything under your eyes. Makes it look flawless. When it dries down, it does not crease on me anyways. And I actually can set it and it doesn't look like a crepey hot mess. So hats off to this concealer for winter and all the colder months. I love it. For some powder action here, I have the Ambient Lighting Edit 4 for the Hourglass collection. This is one of their collections that they come out with every year, and this is the first one I have, unfortunately. But these colors are so beautiful. I also have that video up here if you want to see it. I don't know how many videos I can link. I think I can link up to 5, so I probably should stop linking things because I lost count. Alright, so it has a finishing powder. It has another finishing powder, but this one is kind of a white sheen. And it looks really beautiful under your eyes because it has just the very tiniest amounts of this reflect. It's like a shimmer, a pearl almost, micro glitter, and it kind of reflects light and bounces it off so your under eyes look brighter. Then it has a really pretty highlighter. It's so subtle. And it says you can use it wet for more intense. And then it's got a bronzer and 2 really beautiful blushes, a peach and a berry tone. And I absolutely love this. I splurged on it, and I'm very thankful that I bought it because I loved it. Okay, the next items, I'm going to be doing another highlighter type thing, but this one is way more intense. Alright, this is the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder Megaglo in Written in the Stars. And I've been using this all the time because I've been using it with my new Huda Beauty palette. This is a loose highlighter, so if you do use it, just expect a little fallout unless you're applying it to kind of a tacky base. But this highlighter is so pretty. It's so intense. Right now, I only have my beauty lights on, but if the sun were shining right now, which it's not because it sucks, this would be on fire. This is so intense. I highlight my highlight with it all the time. I'm super bougie. This is really dirty, but I really love cream contours, and I just wanted to try the cream contour shade in this, and it's beautiful on me, and it just flawlessly blends out. And I do really enjoy like these 2 color highlighters right here. I think they're really pretty on my skin tone, and these will be really pretty during summer. Not right now, but I think I could warm my skin up a lot with them and give it a really pretty glow during summer. So this is also another favorite. Wow, great. Has a soft matte thing, and you can wipe it off pretty easily, I think. So yeah, there we go. Probably should have done that first so I don't look like I live in a trash can. Okay, next is I got this, I believe, in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is another video that I have, and I'm probably running out of room, so here, whatever. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Make Every Moment Count, and it's got 3 stunning blushes in here. If you enjoy Tarte blushes, these are huge and they are so gorgeous. There's a really beautiful kind of dusty pink shade. Sorry. There's a really beautiful, almost like a NARS Orgasm shade. It's kind of like a peach with a little bit of gold shimmer. And then there's this beautiful sandy pink kind of color right there. And I really love Tarte's blush formula, so I love this formula, and I love the fact that I have a really nice variety. I actually have another blush, and it is the Laura Gellar blush in Tropic Hues. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm a few months back, or a couple months back. Oh, but this color was one of my favorite blushes for the month of November. This one is very peachy and very warm toned. It's right above that lipstick shade. So, beautiful blush. Would highly recommend any Laura Gellar big blushes. One item that I think you guys have heard me talk about a million times already, and I'm actually doing a palette play. This look is actually one of the looks from my palette play series for this palette. It is the Huda Beauty New Nudes palette, and this thing is absolutely incredible. I mean, do I have room? Do I have room? We'll make room. Can I just, I can't begin to explain the amount of gorgeousness with these crazy shimmer shadows. Like, these things are so intense, so foiled, so innovative. Can you see those? Oh, look how beautiful they are. They're so pretty. So yes, most amazing palette ever. Let me see if I can link it above. Last 2 things in here. I can't link any more videos, but this is from a giveaway that I am doing for you guys. When I reach 500 subscribers, I am all giving you guys your very own collection of the Wet n Wild Pro brushes, and they are beautiful. This one in particular is my new favorite shadow brush. It has a slightly tapered tip at one side, so it fits perfectly right underneath my brow bone. And for my hooded eyes, it's the most amazing brush I've found so far to blend with. And it's super cute all around. It's like rose gold and silver, and it's just beautiful. And it's got a little like thumb thing here. Wow, my fingers are trash because I've been swatching everything. And another one that is a current favorite of mine is for my cream contours. It's a Luxie 140 Detailed Tapered Blender. And if you can see here, it's got a really cool kind of pointed tip, and this just fits perfectly in the areas that I want to do any kind of cream contour with. So, this is amazing for cream contouring. I don't know how to use this as an eyeshadow brush, but for a contour brush, I got it. So that is my favorites for the month of November. I hope you guys enjoyed these. If you guys like them, let me know if you also have them. I would love to see if you had any videos on any of these items. And make sure to like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you would like to. Subscribe if you want to win that Wet n Wild brush collection, as well as some other fun things that I picked up over Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And let me know your favorites for the month of November, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Yeah, we're gonna start with Hello? Why are you focusing on my random Christmas tree ornament? Okay. It doesn't have a lot of pink. Did I say pink? Whatever. Yes. Why do you keep focusing on that ornament over there? What are you doing? What are you doing? There we go. And it's why aren't you focusing? whatever. Whatever. That's not gonna work. So that is my favorite. Bye! Ew. It's gross.